Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayra right here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this full face of makeup using NYX Cosmetics products only. If you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start as usual doing my eyebrows. At first I started using the eyebrow powder pencil in the shade ash brown, but I did not like how it was coming off. I thought it was brown eyebrow liner when I got it, but it wasn't, so I switched to the eye pencil in black brown, which is more of the shade which is closer to the shade to the shade that I like the most for my brows. And then I clean up my eyebrows using this, well, the concealer I use to clean up my eyebrows is not from NYX Cosmetics because the ones that I have are pretty light and dark, but this one is closer to my skin tone and that's what I like for my eyebrows. I'm just gonna like clean them up real quick, and then I'm gonna move on to start doing my eyes. For my eyes, I'm just gonna start prepping my lids with the NYX Cosmetics HD Studio Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm gonna blend it out on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take the Tropic palette and I'm gonna start using this brown color for my crease. Then I'm gonna move on to my eyelid and I'm gonna use this purple very pigmented metallic shade. I was very impressed by the pigmentation, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take the pink shadow and I'm gonna blend it on my crease again on top of the brown that I put, just to make sure I have an even transition. And to finish up for this part of the eyes, I'm gonna top my brow bone with this yellow matte eyeshadow, just to, like I said, keep blending so it goes evenly from a reddish to a yellowish shade. Then I'm gonna do an eyeliner using the Epik liner in color black, of course. I'm gonna make sure it's sharp and thick, my liner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners ever. I think I have like 4 of them here at home, and I'm never gonna get tired of it. It's one of the best. I love the tip, the application, and how dark it is. I just love this eyeliner so much. Okay, I'm gonna put mascara and lashes, which are both not from NYX Cosmetics. I think those are like the only things that I have that I use that are not from NYX Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna move on to my face and I'm gonna use the Can't Stop Won't Stop face primer. I did not like very much the primer, but it did get the job done, which is good. Then I'm gonna take the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm gonna blend it out all over my face like you guys are seeing right now. Then I'm gonna take the same caramel concealer and I'm going to highlight my under eye, bridge of my nose, chin area, top of my lips and forehead. This concealer is very good because it's a very thick consistency, but it's not like way too thick. It's just a perfect level of thickness. And I'm also gonna use the shade Expresso to contour my face. I don't really do liquid contour that much, but sometimes I like to do it, and today I just felt like doing it, so here you go. And I'm just gonna use a beauty blender and I'm gonna blend everything, highlight and contour. You guys already know how this works. I don't have to go in depth into this part. I think pretty much everybody is familiar with the process. The next thing I'm gonna do is set my highlighted area areas with the minerals, set it, don't fret it, matte finish powder in the shade medium. I'm gonna make sure I packed it under my eyes. I really like this powder. It's very matte, as its own name says, at the description says it's very matte. It is matte, and I like the fact that it's not too dark for my skin, so it does highlight a little bit more too. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'm going to put some of the green metallic shadow that is from the palette, and then I'm gonna use this, what is the name of this thing? It's a full white and vanilla shade inner eye brightener, which I like because it's not like super white, it's more of a yellowish shade, but it comes off as white on my skin, which I like. Then I'm gonna put some more mascara, and I'm gonna use the matte bronzer in dark tan to contour my face, to powder contour. It's not super dark contour, which is perfect, because sometimes when you put a lot of, like, when the contour it's very dark, it does make your face look weird, but this one is the perfect shade and it's not too red, which is perfect. And then I'm gonna use the Illuminator in the shade Magnetic to highlight the highest points of my face. You guys already know my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose, and my top lip, and the bridge of my brows. I'm sorry, I'm getting the names all confused. It's been a long time since I filmed or did a voiceover. I'm gonna use the pink shadow on the off Tropic palette as a blush. Not gonna put too much. I just want a very light touch of pink on my cheeks. You guys know I love blush. And then I'm gonna take my lip liner in the shade Cocoa, and I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm gonna put the butter gloss in the shade Madeleine to top the look. And basically that's it with this makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's a very easy look. Anybody can make it, and mainly if you are looking to do some colorful makeup looks but you are not pretty sure on like how to start, I think this is a very easy makeup look using one palette, and very pinkish if you love pinks like me. This is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to activate the notifications, drop some comments, some bomb ass comments, like the video, and of course, please, if you want to, subscribe to my channel and become part of my family, okay? Because this is a family. I love you guys so much. See you on my next video. Besitos. Mwah.